Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Rocket League not launching in 2026. So whether the game crashes instantly, gets stuck on the loading screen or won't open from Epic Games or Steam, these are some of the fixes that are going to help you running it smoothly again. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. So in the step one, you need to basically come out of your game if you are playing it. You need to close its launcher completely. Afterwards, you need to open the website or the official application of the graphic drivers which you are using on your laptop or on your PC. For example, I'm currently using NVIDIA app. So here you can launch your NVIDIA app. If you are using AMD graphic driver, you can launch that application. So here simply click on the option of drivers. Now click on the option of relaunch, or you can click on the option of check for updates. After doing this, if you see this install button here, it simply means that an update is available. So simply click on the install button and you need to basically update the graphic drivers to the latest version. Afterwards, you need to simply launch your game and see if it is working properly or if it is still showing you any kind of errors. Now, if the issue still persists, you can try the second method, in which you need to press Windows plus R on your keyboard. So when you see this type of pop-up in front of you, you need to type this particular command over here. It is %user profile %. After that, go to documents, then my games, Rocket League, and we have TA game. So when you hit OK, it is going to redirect you in the cache folder which you need to delete. After deleting it, simply click on this start icon, then click on this power button. After that, click on the option of restart. Basically, you need to restart your PC, and after restarting it, you need to launch your games launcher by right clicking on it and by clicking on the option of run as administrator. So with the help of these few methods, you are definitely going to fix the issue. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.